Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Look what we got here today, a 1977 Chevrolet Silverado C10. It's a beaut. Sucker's got a 454 V8 in it. It's a nice little truck here. There's some of the info on it. They're asking about $29,000, which is a little high, I think, personally. But anyway, got a nice body on it. Paint's pretty good, pretty decent. I'm not sure if that's a plastic or a spray and bed liner. I think it's a plastic one they put in here, but I'm not real sure on that. But chrome is like really nice on it. Body straight. I don't know if you can tell on the camera or not. It's sort of like a reddish burgundy color, which is pretty nice. Let's get a shot of the inside for you. Velour seats, which I always like those. Yeah, man, it's pretty. The paint is, I would give it the paint maybe like a 6 out of 10 on it. Probably needs a good buffing here at a detail shop or something. Chrome's really nice. Looks like that front bumper was re-chromed on it. I love these old Silverados, man. The body style on them are really, really nice. They got really nice lines on there. Yeah, but this one, it's got a nice body on it. I'm not seeing any dents or rust issues or anything like that. It's a nice, just a nice clean 77 Silverado C10. I'd buy it. Definitely would, especially the 454 in it. This truck will seriously haul ass. You guys leave your comments down below. Like the video if you want to. Click that notification bell so whenever I put up a new video, you guys will be notified of it. And subscribe to the channel. Click the red button in the lower right hand corner. It's greatly appreciated. We'll catch you all later. Have a good one. Everybody drive safe, and we will see you in the next video.